Alrighty, I'm doing some work on my 2006 Volkswagen Beetle, and I just did a hub assembly replacement, and I had a look at my brakes. The brakes were good, so I cleaned up the rotors. I took the calipers off, had a look at them. Lots of meat on the pads, so no need for a replacement. I am having an issue, however, and that my brake wear indicator on this car is an electric wire, and this wire would be hooked up to one of the brake pads so that when the brake material wears down, you get to the point that you get to the sensor that's built into the pad and it triggers an alarm on the dash. So my light is on the dash, and I suspect it's got something to do with this. And apparently there's a cheat to get around that. Now I could go buy more brake pads with the wires and everything, but why when, I mean, there's probably 2 years worth of brakes there. So let's see what this entails. Okay, so here's that brake light. That's the one I want to try to make go away. Now, whether it'll go away once I do the fix, I might need a code reader. I might, sometimes these cars, you need special equipment to clear these faults. But anyway, it's worth a try. And what you have to do is you basically take this is the pigtail that would be coming off the brake pad. And it's got a connector here. This belongs to the car. For now, I'm going to assume that this wire is good, going all the way back up. And what you do is you strip the two ends off and you cross them together. So let's try that and see if it makes a difference. So there it is. So all it needs now is a little bit of shrink wrap, and we'll tuck that back up into position. I don't have any heat wrap right now with me, so just for now I'm going to tape this up with some electrical tape, but the heat shrink would make it more waterproof. But that's all it is. There's our ignition on. Okay, that little light is gone. All right, couldn't have been that easy. Stand by. All right, guys, I just had the engine running. That light is gone. So that's one of many, but we got that one eliminated. Not an issue. It's a cheat to bypass the wear indicator. And we know we have lots of meat on the pads. So I'm going to call this one a win. So here's the end of my pigtail here. Wires cross, taped over, folded back onto itself. Light is gone. Problem solved.